Ever wonder why your anthurium suddenly stops blooming? Or how some people manage to keep those vibrant heart-shaped flowers going all year round? Well, it's not magic, it's smart care. And today, I'll show you exactly how to keep your anthurium blooming through winter and summer. Anthuriums, also known as flamingo flowers, are loved for their bright blooms and glossy leaves. Native to tropical rainforests, these plants are actually epiphytes, meaning they grow on other surfaces in the wild. That's your first clue. They don't like being waterlogged and they thrive in humid, filtered light environments. Let's start with summer care, when anthuriums usually thrive if you get things right. Light is everything. Keep your anthurium in bright, indirect light. Direct sun can burn the leaves, but too little light means no blooms. Water wisely. During summer, water once the top inch of soil feels dry. Use room temperature water and don't let it sit in a saucer of water. This causes root rot. Humidity boost. Anthuriums love humidity, so mist them regularly or place a humidifier nearby. A pebble tray works too if you're low on gadgets. Feeding time. Use a high phosphorus fertilizer once a month during the growing season. It encourages more flower production. Repot if needed. If roots are circling the pot or poking out the bottom, it's time to repot into a slightly larger container with well-draining orchid or aroid mix. Now here's where most people struggle: winter. Reduce watering. Your plant's growth slows down, so water less often. Only water when the top 1.5 inches of soil are dry. Keep it warm. Anthuriums don't like cold drafts or temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from windows or doors that get chilly. Mind the light. As daylight hours drop, move your anthurium closer to a bright window or supplement with a grow light. Skip the fertilizer. Pause fertilizing in winter. Too much can actually damage the roots when the plant isn't actively growing. Humidity matters even more. Indoor air gets super dry in winter. Increase humidity with a humidifier and avoid placing the plant near heaters or vents. Here's a secret many growers swear by. Stress the plant just a little. Let the soil dry slightly more than usual between waterings for a week or two. Then resume regular care. This gentle stress can trigger blooming as a survival response. With just a little seasonal tweaking, your anthurium can bloom again and again, bringing color to your space all year long. And if you have anything to ask, please feel free to comment down below and also let me know how your anthuriums are doing. When did you get your anthuriums, or are you planning to get one soon? Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as your small support would mean the world to me, which encourages me to make more gardening videos. See you on the next one. Bye.